Good morning, grade 6 students. Welcome to our class for today. This is Teacher Shai and welcome to our online class. All right, so before we start, please type your English name and number in our comment section. English name and number. All right, so again, things. Oh, today we will be talking about things in the classroom. Okay, so things in your classroom. So things, what are things? What do you mean by things? And then classroom. Okay, it is the room for your classes. Okay, so what are the things inside your classroom? Now today, we will identify different things found in your classroom, and then let's think of the uses of those things, and then match the object and its correct uses. Okay, so we will start with our vocabularies. Number one, everybody say dictionary. Dictionary. Dictionary is when you are looking for the meaning of the words. Okay, next one, vase. Vase. Okay, vase. What do you need vase for? It is where you place flowers, okay, and put other things. Next, computer. Computer. Computer is, we use, before we have computers in our classroom, right? We use it for videos, PowerPoints, or search the internet. Okay, next one, scissors. Scissors. Okay, scissors is for cut, for cutting things. Oh, cutting papers, chai. Okay, next, atlas. Atlas. All right, so atlas is a book, with books about the earth. Yeah, it's like a world, not map, but it has a map of the world. Okay. Next, board. Board. Okay, so board is, okay, a board is where we can post announcements. Okay, announcements like this. Students from 6/1, please submit your homeworks like that. Okay, na announcement if we have something to say for all the students. All right, next one is globe. Globe. Okay, a globe is something that we use to look for, it's a model. It's a model of the earth. And we sometimes use it to look for countries. Okay, we sometimes use it to look for countries. Next one, calendar. Calendar. All right, calendar, when do we use calendar? What is calendar for? It's looking for dates. Now, what day is today? Today is April. Oh my shine. Today is not April. Example, today is April 1st. Now, what day is April 1st? It's Wednesday. Okay, so it's looking for days and dates. Next, sharpener. Sharpener. All right, so sharpener is used to sharpen your pencils. Okay, just like the term itself, sharpener, used to sharpen your pencils. Okay, next, calculator. Calculator. Right, calculator is used for adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing numbers. Okay, add, minus, times, and divide numbers. Okay, Mai? Okay, next. Oh, all right, so let's review again the most common things found in your classroom. First one is dictionary. Next, vase, computer, scissors, atlas, board, globe, calendar, sharpener, calculator. Okay, very good. Now, what are the other things found in the classroom? What are the other things found in your classroom? We have table. Yes, very good. Table, chairs. Yes, that is correct. Chairs. What else? White board. Correct. Whiteboard. What else? Whiteboard, TV. Okay. So there are many things that can be found in the classroom. Okay, so uses of the objects found in the classroom. So just like what I asked earlier, what do you use dictionary for? What, where, what can we do, or what is the use of sharpener? Okay, so we will learn that here. Now, everybody, let's read together again. This is a dictionary. So, in a dictionary, we find words and the meaning of the words. Okay, so for example, what is the meaning? Meaning of beautiful. We look at in our dictionary. Okay, next, vase. So again, vase, it is where we put flowers in. Okay, so we put flowers in, or some things in. Okay, not just flowers, but mostly flowers. Okay, next, computer. So we can use the computer to surf the internet with it. So very common use of the computer is to surf the internet. Okay, now remember, surf the internet. When we say surf the internet, we search. We surf the internet. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to Google, like that. Next, scissors. Scissors. Using scissors, we can cut things. Okay, so we can cut different things, especially paper. Okay. Next, atlas. Atlas. Okay, so it is a book for finding places in the world. So as I said earlier, this kind of book has a map. Okay, it has a map of the world. Okay, so you can find different places using an atlas book. Next is a board. Okay, so a board, we can post some information in it. So we can post information just like this one, announcement, just like what I said earlier. Okay, next is a globe. Okay, a globe, we can find our country on it. So as I said, a globe is like a model of the earth, and we use it to look for countries. Let's say find Egypt. Where is Egypt? Oh, it's here. Egypt. Looking for, or we find different countries. Okay. Next, calendar. Again, it is for telling the date. Okay, when we say date, it should be April, June, 3. March, 4. January, 5. Okay, now that is the date. And when we say day, D-A-Y, when we say day, D-A-Y, we use, that one. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Right, next is sharpener. Okay, sharpener, it is used for making your pencils sharp. Making your pencils sharp. Okay, sharp. What is sharp? Like this. That's sharp. Oh, it broke. Sharp. Oh, like this. Like point. Pointy. Pointy. Sharp, like that. Point. Oops, my pen is me sharp. Okay, next, calculator. Calculator, it is used for calculating. Now, when we say calculating, it's like 2 plus 2 equals 4. That is calculating. Okay, next. Okay, so as for our activity today, I believe you need to answer the answer sheet from Teacher Nock. Yes, that is correct. You need to answer the answer sheet given by Teacher Nock. And I also have a very short activity that you need to comment, that you need to answer your comments. You need to comment your answers in the comment section. Okay, so for example, think of one object that wasn't mentioned in our class and say its uses. One object that wasn't mentioned mentioned in our class and say its use. So when we say wasn't mentioned, not in our class. Any calculator might try because it's finished. Not in our class. Okay, may try sharpener, may try calendar, not globe, not board. Okay. Another thing. Okay, another object. Okay, one object, one thing that wasn't mentioned in our class and say its use. So not mentioned, not in our class, not in our vocabularies. We can say notebook, notebook, books, table, chair, whiteboard. What else? Clock. Clock, TV. What else? Not in our class. Not in our class. And then say its use. So for example, let's say clock. What is the clock for? Clock is for telling time. Correct. Clock is for telling time. Okay, so other things not mentioned in our class. Okay, na? Comment your answers in our comment section. Type your answers in our comment section. Okay, so thank you everyone for listening to our class for today, and that's it for your class with me. And I hope you've learned something, and don't forget to answer your answer sheets. Okay, Mai? Okay, so thank you everyone. Bye-bye.